We're moving on to our last unit of the year. We're focusing on geometry and volume. So, lesson number 1. This word right here, polygon. What's a polygon? Well, it's a shape. It's any shape that is closed. It's a closed 2D shape made up of line segments. So pretty much if you can dream up a shape and it's closed, that's a polygon. But we have two different types. You can have a regular polygon or a not regular polygon. Another word for not regular is irregular. So regular polygons means that the sides and the angles are equal. So if you see my square right here, this is a polygon. It is a regular polygon because the sides are all the same length. This side and this side are the same in length. And then if I look at the angles, if you see inside the angles right there, they are the same angles. The angles are all sort of at a L shape. So the angle on this side is, and the angle on this side, they're both the same sizes of angles. Sorry, this becomes a tongue twister. So not only do the sides become equal, but the angles inside the shape are also equal. Both have to be true to be regular. Not regular means something is off. So maybe it's the sides, maybe it's the angles, or maybe it's both. Maybe both are unequal. So this right here is a polygon, but it is irregular or not regular because this side and this side are two different lengths. This one right here is longer than this side. This side and this side are equal, but then we have a whole other side that's longer. So each side is different lengths. Also, the angles are different. So right here, we have a narrow angle. Right here, these other 4 angles are wide. They're much wider than right here on the crooks of the triangle. So the angles and the sides are unequal. But to be an irregular polygon, only one must be true. Either the sides are unequal, or the angles are unequal, or it can be both. So let's look at this little graph right here. Right here you see the arrow in the middle. These are regular polygons. Another way for saying like equal is this word right here, congruent. Congruent also means equal. When a line segment have the same length or when the angles have the same measure, they are congruent. It means equal. And so the regular sides, So regular polygons have congruent or equal angles and sides. Basically what I said over here, just another way of saying equal is congruent, meaning the same. All right, now that we know that, let's look at this. These right here in the middle are regular polygons. These on the outside are irregular polygons. So remember, to be a regular polygon, you must have both an equal side and equal angles. That's true for this triangle right here. Look at the sides. The sides are all the same length, and the angles pretty much have all the same measure. This is a regular one. Right here also, this square, the sides are equal, and the angles are also equal. These little lines, do you see how the book did that for you? Put little dashes here. That also kind of helps you. It tells you that this, and this are all the same length and sides. Same thing for the triangle. So this book sort of helps you, did the measuring for you to tell you that it's regular. Now let's look at some irregular ones. Why is this one irregular? It has the same angles. But let's look at the sides. You can see there's one dash here 2 dashes, and 1 dash. So this side and this side are the same length, but this side and this side are longer. They're a different length at either end. So this makes it an irregular polygon. Same thing is true over here. The angles are the same, but the sides are all different lengths. I can see that by seeing there's 2 dashes on either side, meaning they mirror each other, and these sides are the same. They mirror each other. But they're all different lengths all the way around, so it's an irregular polygon. These are also irregular. Now you see the 1 dash, all the sides are the same length, but the angles are different. So we have a skinny angle at the top and we have wider angles at the side. Same thing over here. The sides all look to be the same length, seem to be congruent, but the angles are different. This is a skinnier angle than these wide angles here. So that is your job for today. Here's your assignment for today. Your only job is to tell me if these polygons are regular or not regular. Look at this one. The sides all look to be the same length, and the angles all look to be the same measure. So this one would be regular. What about number 3? They all have the same angles, but what about their sides? Are their sides equal? No, I don't think they are. It looks like an irregular or a not regular polygon. So make sure you figure out the rest. You're going to be doing the rest of these problems today. This shouldn't take you any time. This should be very easy. Good luck.